The SoundBasics learning software is a technology-aided skill development tool, enabling the student to learn both the fundamental as well as the advanced concepts of subjects like financial accounting, audit, and taxation with utmost clarity. For instance, in financial accounting, the SoundBasics pedagogy follows a two-phase learning model in an extremely scientific and systematic manner. Phase 1 commences with understanding the fundamentals like the accounting equation, the rules of debit and credit, grouping of accounts, accounting entries, and then moves on to cover the entire accounting journey of a financial transaction, from a voucher to the trial balance. Each topic is first introduced to the student through simple, easy to understand study material, lecture videos, and online objective quizzes. The student is thereafter exposed to a uniquely conceived exercise for each topic in the SoundBasics software, taking him through some interesting simulations. As an example, the Phase 1 includes the F&A event handling exercise, which brings the student as close as possible to a real-life situation. In this illustration, the student is presented with a document from the Mintus Media Group, for which he is taught to do a 360-degree transaction processing, bringing together his learnings with respect to accounting, profit or loss impact, cash flow impact, and income tax disallowances, if any, internal controls, and statutory compliances. This would eventually enable the student to even design and implement the basic accounting and control process for a medium-sized business entity. The student will receive an instant feedback at the end of the exercise, with the correct answers displayed in green and mistakes, if any, highlighted in red. The Phase 2, which covers the preparation and analysis of financial statements, commences with the scrutiny of the trial balance. In real life, trial balance scrutiny is one of the most significant steps in closing the books of accounts. However, generally, no university or professional course covers the same. This one-of-a-kind trial balance scrutiny exercise develops the student's skills to identify possible errors in the accounts by review of the trial balance and helps them to develop a good and quick eye for detail. The students then learn the closing process. They learn to pass the adjusting entries, prepare the adjusted trial balance, and therefrom prepare the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. The analysis of financial statements is a very significant exercise in the SoundBasics learning software. The exercise helps the student to read, understand, and interpret financial statements with the help of accounting ratios. The student learns to not only calculate the key ratios, but more significantly, the student learns to interpret these ratios based on industry data and apply them in real life. The students also learn to understand and prepare the cash flow statement. The SoundBasics learning experience offers a range of such uniquely conceived software-led exercises involving work simulations. Besides, specially created study material and online quizzes, all of which have been put together, keeping the real requirements of business and industry